guys are getting my Sunday morning voice. So I'm opening a box. This is a knife I got in the mail, and it is from a nation far, far away. So shout out to all my buddies who were at Blade Show. I found out the show ended yesterday. I didn't know it didn't go into Sunday. Dun, dun, dun. Awkward silence. All right. There we go. That's just filler. Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's got a leather sheath. This is fabulous. Little rubber band. Oh, cool. As you can tell, it's a fixed blade. So, you guys like my unboxing knife? Oh, wow. That's nice. And in today's episode of What's in the Saran Wrap, we have a knife. Oh, geez. Oh, it's oiled. It's very oiled. I need a paper towel. That's what she said. Sorry, I'm not very talkative. I was at my neighbor's house last night for a little while, having some adult beverages. Wow. That blade stock is sick. Wait, where are you going? Okay. Sorry, y'all. Trying not to wake up the wife on this Sunday morning. Well, this is great. Okay, let's take a closer look. Oh, that's beautiful. It's 1095 high carbon. I think he said it was 58 or so HRC. Okay, shout out to all my friends, you know who you are, especially Satu Dave for making something for my buddy who needed it for his eclipse. This is really beautiful. Oh man, all right, that's pretty sweet. Love the, oh, it's got a loop. All right, that's all I got, y'all. Sorry for the lack of banter. It's early. Well, it's 8:15. I'll tell you what I have on the table real quick. These were some things I traded my buddy Kevin for. This is Wilson and Watson. Wilson is in Castaway, the alien Wilson Watson. This is a little honeycomb razor, flipper, frame lock, replaceable blade. I don't think I've ever cut anything with it. Maybe I did when I first got it, but now you get to see my cool hanks. This one's cool. But here's the reveal, I guess you could say. Shout out to Carrell Family Freak Show. Now that's rad. Wow, we're at 5:20 on the time. And my kids are talking and getting loud, so sayonara.